Annual All-America Micromouse Competition, 2015 edition. So the first team is going to be Opti Moheb. From what school are you guys from?
UCR.
UCR, okay. So let's see the mouse and yeah, so you can put your mouse in the starting cell.
Alright.
Judges, do you guys have any questions for them? About like their parts or like, because you have the right to question their mouse.
We're using Arduino, stepper, motors, a couple of drivers on there, battery, 3D printed case, and we got 3 infrared
It'll be fine.
sensors.
Okay. Don't worry about it.
How to use it.
Okay, trackers and timers, are you guys
All
ready?
good?
Yes.
And then the time starts once it passes the line,
It
correct?
crosses, when it breaks the plane of
Okay.
leaving.
Oh wait, can we have like a 10-minute thing? Do you want to project a 10-minute thing?
Online timer.
I'm still on the computer here, but.
Drag it on one side and
Yeah, just split it.
Oh yeah, so you gotta keep track of the time.
Andrew, do you want to come here and do this?
Yeah, alright. Do we have like countdown timer from the website?
It's like online hacking stopwatch.
This is not the precision.
There you go, online hacking stopwatch.
still does the easy part.
Server, you have 10 minutes or 10 runs, whichever comes first.
Wait, what is this?
Wait, let me just test this real quick. Sure, make sure it works.
Okay.
Oh, and then you put
Oh,
that.
it starts.
So
Okay.
it counts down.
Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's okay. Just let it go, yeah.
Oh,
There we go.
nice.
Where it next is.
There we go. That way. That way. It's not making light.
I know this mace.
Yeah, okay. We'll do a new run then.
Timer's ready?
We all ready?
New sheet for the cell counter.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, that's already gone. Should we slow it go? Oh. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Sure is it. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. See how it goes. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and reset this one too. Cool, ready?
Ready?
All right. put up to the high speed. So you see that now?
Likes that corner.
I know, yeah.
He was at home down there.
It's a reset if it goes back to the start, is that right? Oh, I think so, yeah. I'll try it one more time, I'll get that one. Let's start again. I could get past that area right there, get some chance. Oh, that's right. Let's see. I'll take it up already. So that's another set. So want to do fast speed?
I'm just gonna make a quick adjustment real quick. Oh, I get this down. Ground.
All right. Cool. Start now. Curious to see this one now.
Is that Mighty Mouse mode?
At this point, we almost tripled the speed, so we'll see how it goes. Just need to get out of that section. It'll make its way. It'll create a new way. How many runs do we have so far?
5.
5 runs, cool. Start again. He always gets off his turns. Yes. I know. It's really getting angry in there.
Let me out.
Yeah.
So you
Good.
in space and it's just beyond that. So we got
There. No. Come on. Come on. No. I think it's going so fast it's not even sensing me yet. Think so? Okay, we're gonna go and restart this.
Trying to find Riverside.
I know. Go, ready? Unless it goes that way instead. Come on. No, no. Okay. No. It's sensing something right there. I don't know what it's. Oh. No, no.
Oh, okay.
There you go. New cells. There you go. Oh, I should come in.
Okay. You guys have 38 seconds left?
Let's let it go.
Let's check our time. This is, as soon as he
10 seconds left.
as soon as he touches it, we'll shut off and.
5,
Just make sure.
4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we'll time it. 2 minutes and 18.
Do you want to expand that tab a little bit so you can see the laser board? Do we have a count yet, guys? Do you have a count?
Or just
I'll just
more
not.
of
Like, you can all tell me your counts.
Oh, for the most?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was last
30?
round.
Yeah. Wait, I haven't finished counting. Sorry.
Small, I don't know.
No, I think I just It's okay, if you didn't see it, we'll just have it up.
Oh yeah, so I guess we kind of want the angle of the
What if we
corner
put
to
it
have
up here?
the start. Oh, okay, want to do that? Sure, we can try that.
There's.
Oh,
Hey, do you want to maybe move it to here? Yeah.
Right now, I got 37.
Maybe, what,
Okay.
37.
37?
I just ended this account.
Okay.
Let's do it after this one.
maybe we do it now, right?
Yeah. Hold on a second.
Do we have to get YouTube on this thing? Or?
What? Wait, what?
We want to move the camera over here.
So everyone needs to see like.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
So how many cells do we have?
37?
37?
Yeah.
I still got the hard job.
Don't worry.
Are you guys, so this is Team Coyotes? What school are you guys from?
We are from the University of South Dakota.
Okay,
All right.
very nice. This is guys your first year here, right?
Yeah, this is the first year, so
Very
thanks
nice.
for having us.
Oh yeah, of course. Do the judges have any questions about their mouse?
How did you explain to TSA what that was when we got on the plane?
It was hard though, I also had a glue gun, so. I told them I'm coming to California, so they just let me go.
Pretty good.
That was a nice question though.
It took you a little room and you had a real careful discussion.
Yeah, so it was really, like all three of us got fizzed a lot, so yeah, it was extra checking. All bags, everything, so.
What type of sensing do you use?
So I have 3 ultrasound ping sensors on the 3 directions, and we have 2 infrared sensors front And we also have infrared receivers. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay. So I'm gonna start time in 3, 2, 1.
I would have to reset this. Reset.
It's too close to the wall.
How many chances were on?
10 total. You get 10 total.
No, how many are done?
Oh, 6 or how many? 5?
Yeah.
5.
So big it can't be
This is number 8.
a turn. It has to be exactly. We live on it, that's an idea.
Is this the 8th run?
Yeah.
I'll finish this one.
Reset. I think this is the last one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we had to go to the Megamouse competition, not the Micromouse. I mean, the one, when we came, we figured out that our robot can't turn, so it was like scary, but it's fine.
Too big.
I know, but our logic is correct. So anyway, thanks guys. Next time.
This is a lie. What school are you guys from?
UCLA.
UCLA? Woo! Ruins?
Any questions from the judges?
We've all seen that one.
You guys were what, second place last year or first place?
We were.
This one, we were 3rd place.
Third place. Okay, cool.
And second place at UCSD.
The
second year coming up.
Okay, whenever you guys are ready.
Okay.
Yeah, last year actually at this
wait,
race
it
we
says it's
tied
just
green exactly and we did a sudden
Watch
victory
it
round.
happen
Oh,
now.
wow.
Yay.
You did
Watch
this.
Ready, fast trackers and timers ready?
Hold on.
Everyone's ready.
Keep going, I just wanna prepare myself.
It's like he's making bread.
Kneading it.
Kneading it.
Okay, on the curve I'll search. Okay, ready everyone?
Ready?
2, 1.
seconds is what I got.
35, yeah, 50.
I wasn't looking.
58.1. Ivan, are you taking times or what?
No, I'm just some pictures.
Somebody.
Oh, I'll take them at the end.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the searching number because
Okay.
we messed up.
Ready?
Not yet.
Okay. Mark. Okay.
Ready.
Yeah. Save it too many people. It's hard.
That was first one.
Technically, we don't really do that. Down.
Ready? Judges?
Ready.
Okay.
Or I tried to. I think I got it.
You start the first half.
There's only so many paths that can lead to that kind of idea.
I don't want to say for sure. It's that. Next question. How many more rounds we have?
You're on
So-
your.
Okay, round. We're not on third.
Oh, no, you're on your fourth.
Yeah,
have
Round four.
seven more rounds.
Okay. Okay, ready? Everyone?
Ready.
Alright.
It didn't crash. You won't.
6.3.
More like that.
Ready?
If we have an instant replay on the.
You must have to go around the world a couple times to have that long a delay.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Ready?
Ready?
I think you have it. So we'll do our fastest speed. Not really tested, but we'll see how it goes. Ready?
That time.
David, don't step it. Oh.
Oh, really? Can we get a time on that, or,
6.2,
okay, previous one?
6.3.
Okay. Let's aim for 6.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Uh-oh.
2 seconds. Let's get one more run in.
Plenty of time.
Okay. Okay.
6.2.
We don't need to count them because we have times.
Pardon me?
They solved the maze.
Yeah. Yeah, if they have a time that
Are we going
that's,
down the
that's
list?
better
Yeah, I
than
think so.
number. Yeah.
Can somebody tell the, or whoever, actually, wait, are you gonna
Yeah.
stay here?
Or, yeah, I'll go back.
Okay, cool, can you tell
So-
team,
Wow,
Why Mara one?
Bomb or
Wow.
panda.
wow, I'm a red panda to come.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Awesome, thank you. As well as another team that, cool, thanks, David.
First one.
Great, guys. So, so this is team, this is team Bart. What school you guys from?
Riverside, UC Riverside?
Do the judges have any questions about their mice, about their mouse?
Did this run last week? Or 2 weeks, whatever that was?
On the Region 6 conference we did.
So you were there? Okay.
Yeah, we've made a couple of improvements since then in the software, so hopefully better.
All right.
Okay, ready? Good.
And yeah.
Timers and path trackers ready?
Yep.
Is the timer starting yet? I don't think it looked for a second.
But the 10-minute time.
This is a 10-minute.
Oh,
actually.
the questions.
Was that a run? And never even left it.
All right, ready?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it.
Oh.
That was it. It's taking longer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go.
You tried not to step on him.
As a suggestion, don't step on the base.
Oh.
Yeah, like lean over so you don't like your hand.
Wow.
engineering for. Yeah. Yeah. You ready to stop it? You're there. Okay. Can you help her? Thank you. Oh.
I think I lost.
Yeah, not going to the middle.
We got 2 minutes, 40 more seconds left. You want to start over?
Yeah, let's keep going. At this point, we'll go for plus or minus plus. I don't know if it's lost or if it's.
It was the first pattern that failed. I mean,
Yeah, this is the first pattern again, but I'm not.
and then, so on the first one we did mode 1, on the second one we did mode 3, and then we did mode 4 again, and this is mode 1.
I don't know if that's too short a time. Why not?
I don't think so. It has to be. Try facing this That's one. We should have a search. They're running.
Wait a second.
Yes.
Now, make sure the timers are ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
We are Team Run for Your Money. We competed at UCR last week. Over there.
1 second, give the timer just time to
Yeah, sure.
the old ones, but yeah.
Green. At some point, can we switch memory cards? Can we switch memory cards at some point? Because mine's been running out. recording everybody.
Right now, how much time is
I have like 40 minutes.
40. 40.
Yeah.
Oh. Sure, okay.
Timer is ready.
Not
Oh,
yet.
right, any questions about the mouse?
Yeah, judges, any questions?
Yeah, right.
No, well, the judges, if they have
About
any questions.
86.
86?
Alright, cool. So,
Wait.
wait,
Wait.
Wait.
Sorry. You
I got 86 on run 2.
Yeah, I got 86 on 2.
I don't know if the other one run was
Yeah,
higher.
it's with runs here. Okay. Did you got that? I don't know.
Oh wait, did we get it? Sorry.
What school are you guys from?
UC San Diego.
Nice.
This is your first mouse, right?
Yeah. Yeah, or first year competing, second year computer engineering student. So. Was it you that sent me the email?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 86.
Let's do this one and then we'll take a break
Okay.
after.
86.
Okay. 86.
Enter. And after this?
Yeah, right. Okay, you guys ready?
All right, so is everyone ready for
I'm sorry.
timers and trackers?
Give me 30 seconds.
Whenever you're ready.
Alright.
Here. This isn't counting, right?
No, it's just doing
Just
expiration.
fine.
Well,
we covered all of that. Anyways,
Count the beeps.
yeah.
It's a number of lines.
It's not, they're not letting
Oh,
me
yeah,
get to
that's
the
true.
center, so it's alright.
It might, yeah. Reach. Alright, judges ready? Ready.
No, we have to say separation.
Well,
Well, like, for example, yeah. No, sorry.
Judges ready?
yes.
Ready.
Yeah.
Okay, judges ready. Alright,
Great.
Was that any faster than last time?
It's actually slightly slower.
Oh.
Is that same speed setting?
No, it's a higher speed setting actually.
Oh, I see. On straight, right?
Yeah. Alright, judges ready.
Whoops.
I haven't tested on some of these speed settings.
Is that a negative speed there?
Does negative time count better?
Yeah, I think your speed setting might be too high in order to saturate the 32 bits at doing the conversion somewhere.
Yeah.
That's why I got some negative values. How many different tones do you have?
Huh?
How many different tones do you have there?
Lots.
Wow.
Man, that's like 50% of the work on this mouse.
Wow. Worth it.
Oh yeah. Alright, judges ready?
Yes, ready.
So I think 9.5 is about as fast as that's going to get, so I'm just going to have to explore it a little bit.
Dylan, you know this is already fast path, man.
Oh yeah, like it's just exploring because it kind of crashed over here, so it's kind of, I want to see where it crashes. Nice. So I think best time counts, right? So like 9.5 is Alright.
How many more rounds?
4 more rounds.
Four more.
Was it 4 more rounds?
Four more rounds. 4 more rounds.
Alright. Judges ready? What is it, 3 rounds left? Judges are ready to play Beethoven's Ninth.
So this is the last run?
Yeah, I'm gonna swap them out here. But
You have 45 seconds left.
30 seconds left.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Best time was 9.4.
9.4.
9.4?
You're gonna program voice into that?
Okay.
It's gonna be
That
talking,
comes next. That's in 2.
talking to us and just going along with me.
What school you guys from? UCR, okay. So, judges, do you have any questions about their mouse? I have a question. What's your microprocessor? Looks like a PCP mouse, right?
Yeah. It is a TZ 3.1.
Okay, nice. Alright, are you guys ready? So remember, you have 10 minutes or 10 runs. Which order comes first? Camera's ready? Okay. So for Ryan, once the mouse. Oh, what? Oh, she explained. Okay, cool. Pathfinder's ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. I guess event timer ready? Yes. Okay. Whenever you're ready.
So make sure the timers are ready before you set it off next time. We lost it over here.
Okay.
Destroy the walls of that perhaps.
Just
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's check our times this time. When he touches it, check our times.
Yeah, that should count as good.
Okay, we got 34 points.
Angela.
30.
That was 2 runs. Hits a start again, that counts as a run.
Yeah.
Wait, so how many more runs do you have?
That was the 4th run.
Okay.
Just ready? Wait a minute.
Sorry.
So just, you guys have to switch it to.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, so that counts as a run.
This is sorry.
Okay, so that count as another run? 'Cause, yes. So now you have 4 more
runs.
Okay, we're ready.
This is number 8.
We're ready.
That's right.
Number 1.
Okay, we're ready.
That's right.
Last run.
Go.
Alrighty, so we'll have let's see, so it's Team Nanobite. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Can we get the trackers count up
I got 24.
24?
Where's the next team?
Can you get okay, so he's here.
20, 25.
Oh, God.
We got 25.
25.
And you might get Jerry here.
So
We'll get Jerry last year for.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Got 25.
okay.
Call Jerry.
Wait, 25?
25.
25.
Is Jerry in the break room?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get it.
No, it's good.
Yeah, Rex.
What?
Or Daniel.
Okay. I can call the person there. So.
Okay.
So. Are you guys still counting? Or are you guys ready?
We're good.
So this is Team Nanobite.
Nanobite from UC Riverside. My name is Andrew Nava. I'm a third year computer science major. And my name is Emilio. I'm a first year computer engineering major.
And you guys ran last week too, right?
Yes, we did. So I think last week he was presenting his student presentation. And I wasn't there. Yeah. So now we're as a whole.
Okay, the judges have any questions about their maps?
Are you just using IR or?
Yes. IR sensors, yeah. So 3 IR emitter and receiver pairs. I guess one thing that's interesting is that we're using servo motors, and no one ever uses servo motors. So we started off Micromouse this year, it's our first year, and we didn't know how to build a robot. So this is the chassis and the motors were given to us, and we thought, okay, we can just do that. And then 4 months later, we found out, it's a bad idea. we should have probably used DC motors, but yeah. I mean, but now we gained the experience, so yeah.
Probably inside is DC motor.
I'm sorry?
Probably motor inside is DC motor.
I guess.
Alright, so we'll go ahead and run it.
Are the timers and path trackers ready?
All right.
Timer's ready.
It's not a bug, it's a feature.
Yup. Mine must be.
Does it do the random search?
Random, yeah.
Timer's ready.
Come over there. Can you please not obstruct the camera? Thank you.
Ready? He really likes that corner.
Ready?
Oh, hey.
Had the right idea.
Yeah.
You still have plenty of time.
How much time do we have?
6:56.
Almost 7 minutes.
Oh, okay.
We have 5 runs left.
Oh,
We have 5.
This is number
5,
6.
yeah.
So does it do that wheelie thing in practice?
Usually when it gets too close to a wall, when it's doing a 180-degree turn, the wheel will actually grip the corner of the wall or a peg, and it'll flip the robot onto its back. See, like that.
Just let me know.
Let's go with it. So 3 runs left?
4 more.
4? Okay.
Battery's
I think so, last week.
It's let it go. No.
This is your last round. This is our last round? Oh my god. Alright, well.
Okay.
Got the workbench.
It's like Minnesota Fats taking out his pool cue. Chopping it up.
Yeah.
So this is green, green. And what school are you from?
Huh?
What school are you representing?
Maricopa College, called San Diego. And this is my fifth year doing Micromouse. I'm consistently doing upgrades every year, both electronically and mechanically. And every year I'm expecting a better performance over the previous year. And I just finished construction of this mouse on April, without too much time to tune in order to reach the maximum speed. And that's how much I got so far, so that you guys just watch how it performs.
Do the judges have any questions?
Can you beat your 4 seconds from last week? That's what I want.
It really depends on the maze, right?
How much do your motors cost?
The overall cost is under $500. The motor is like $124 each.
Wow.
So it's only under half of the cost of the mouse. And a lot of other items are actually free, like MCUs, all the power chip, even gyro. They're like free sample now. But the cost is significantly decreased. Of course, you didn't count labor. Labor is not free there.
Why is there a hole in the center? Oh, that's not the question.
That's just to reduce weight. So I'll be able to like push all the parts as close as possible in order to have a large hole being milled to the front in order to reduce the weight. With a big hole to the front, I was actually be able to reduce about like 3 grams of the weight. Also help to shift the gravity center from the front to the back a little bit.
Does it function as a bottle opener too?
It's not up to me, it's really up to the quality of the manufacturer. If they're
Lay it on the supplier.
Yeah. Carol.
Alright, our
Do
fast
you time
trackers.
ready?
Ready on this one.
Time ready?
Well, you beat last week's run.
That's a lot shorter than
How many seconds was this?
3.3.
Yeah, I think there's no, it's no need to keep searching on the way back. So I decided to make my mouse go diagonally on the way back instead. So there's no more search on the way back. Ready?
I got.
You beat my time.
Yeah.
When your mouse goes fast, it has to be really solid mechanically. See what happens.
Ready? Yeah.
Got 2 runs left?
Yes.
Yeah. last round.
2.1.
Oh, should 3 minutes left?
Grab a tree.
Give a speed green. Tea break or something.
Green, what IR sensors are you using?
The wavelength, it's a 950 nanometer wavelength. So the receiver and emitter have really similar range of reading in order to have the receiver read as high as possible. Yeah. So the there's also infrared like sensor, like infrared LEDs for your camera with like night vision. Those kind of LEDs are most likely 850 nanometer wavelengths because they're closer to the visible light. And that's why in general they has higher power than 950 nanometer wavelengths. But on the other hand, 950 nanometer wavelengths is farther away from the visible light. That's why I prefer 950. It's less easier to get affected by the ambient light over 850. Even though there's some people use 850. It's my last one. Ready? Wow. Thank you.
Really? Oh, really? Really?
That's gonna be you next year. Really?
I'll ask you next year.
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
Really?
So
it's not?
What do we have? 3.3? 3.1. Dr. Biggs? What was the fastest time? 3.3? Just 3? 3-0.
Oh my god.
I think you shit very much. I let him basically
the very last one's
still give a shit.
Oh,
that was impressive.
I think what was the fastest? I did something this week. I can't turn my two.
She's gonna work.
Alrighty guys, is everybody ready for the last and final event? This is Jerry 2, is it?
You want me to interpret for him?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Translator. Okay, do you have any questions for him? So this is Jerry from Taiwan, the Longhua University of Science and Technology Longhua University of Science and Technology, right? And he's a first-year graduate student. He's been doing Micromouse since high school, actually. And so I met him like 3 years ago, and we were at like same level of Micromouse, and we kind of like encourage each other and continuously working on Micromouse and making improvements every new generation of Micromouse we're making. So we exchange our idea of Micromouse like pretty much every day. No, that's exaggerated. Every week, and you might see some similarity between us. And if you guys have any question for him?
What kind of microcontroller are you using?
Same as SM32F405.
405RG.
Oh, he just mentioned that. The point is he just finished this finished constructing this mouse 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
So he was kind of rushing, tuning everything.
Reducing expectations.
There's also very unique features he put on this mouse. Is he put a DC-DC power boosting board attached on his battery. So the battery, usually we have used two 3.7 volts 2 cells battery serial to power the mouse, and the general output voltage is around 8.4 to 7-ish, and he decided to boost to 9 volts, so the mouse will have more consistent power supply, and it's a lot easier to tune. And I also made some really similar thing, but I haven't attached on it yet. I have some cheers on. More questions for him? This last chance.
Are the motors also the most expensive part?
马达最贵的嘛。
Yeah. 大概是200块美金一颗。
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because he got the motor from distributor from Taiwan, so they have different pricing policies.
So it costs 200 for one.
Each.
Oh,
each.
So
Yeah.
400 total. Are they the Valhalla 1717s?
Yeah, his one is 3 volts version.
Oh, okay. Oh wow.
So supposed to have more power than the 6 volts version. So yeah. But you have to drive carefully because otherwise it gets really hot. More questions?
What's the gyro that you're using?
Go for it.
You two, right? You two.
Yeah.
He used two gyros on it. One is LYH3100, which is the analog gyro from SD. The other one is MPU 6500, the digital gyro from Inversense. And he's using both because MPU 6500 is the combo of gyro and accelerometers. So, but for his gyro part, he used 用两都用。
目前
So far he used the data from 2 different gyros.
哦没有，310现在是放弃了。
Okay, so now he's using one, but use the other one as a reference.
Agree. Can you make sure you can? I got excited.
He was the mouse was just trying to play its symbolic Mario songs. As of playing victory, however, it crashed.
That's a dead end.
我放慢速，因为
He wants to search again because he felt he probably didn't search the maze properly for the previous run. That's why he on purposely slowed down the speed. You 之前那一次说不定反而是准。
没有，因为扫手模式，这个不是不能那个。
那你有快速搜索应该反而能进去。来试试看，还有8次。There's a very unique feature of this mouse is the front sensor of this mouse can look ahead, look at 2 cells ahead in order to accelerate on the unknown path.
Oh.
直接从 flash 里冲出。
When will he add sound? When's he gonna add sound?
For the Mario thing?
Flash?
Oh.
Had some, chatty,
Chatty mouse.
Yeah, that's why he says he spent 50% of his time working on that. Does that work?
I figured maybe bonus points, tiebreaker or something.
Absolutely.
The button generated for debugging purpose. If you do have extra time, yeah, definitely do it for fun. If we have an extra time.
Dreams good luck。
快速搜索的结果为什么不能冲刺？
因为我现在程式是不错的，它那个就正常来说它会记忆路径嘛，但是它这个程式是那个就测试用的，所以它只有在回到起点之后它才记忆路径。
哦，
很复杂，很复杂。
但你现在到终点以后不存在内存里面。
对，但是它那个我的按钮是记忆路径的，但是按钮现在就是 debug mode 的那个。
那你只有在普通搜索，你搜的成功回来才。
就是要想办法搜索快。
那用快速搜索实现陪伴的呢？快速搜索模式实现陪伴。
不存在。
So he was saying he might have flashed into the wrong kind of like test version of the code.
Oh.
So ended up he had limited amount of choice to his encounter this kind of maze issues. Because our root doesn't allow flash the code during the competition in the wrong. So to try and find some strategy to counter this. Well, he also said because for his program, the mouse doesn't store the explore the maze. Once it reaches center, it does not store the explore maze to the flash or RAM instead. That's why we couldn't recover from the flash with only the halfway search results. So the only way to make a speed run for him is let the mouse successfully come back to starting point. How many rounds does he still have? 6? Or 4?
5.
Okay, 5.要哪里帮你按一下？
不太确定它到底有没有存就是了。
我帮你，反正我帮你按，那个翘起来，我帮你按一下。
我试看看那个，就是演算法，但我不确定是不是正确的地图就是了。
试试看，还有3分，273分。
不错的。
那只能去搜成功了。
对啊，跟蛮困难的，这个没。
这个枪我帮你按一下。这里墙有问题，到这里前面
Presented it a few times.
应该就这样。
才几次？
那没办法，
你就用完嘛，用完。
用完吧。
Yeah, we were around.
3 more.
还有3次。3 more.
Yeah, he's trying to use up all his rounds.
好吧，应该2发了，
Just pray.
You have 1 minute and 2 rounds left.
Okay. 我应该也没办法去任意的地方校正嘛，对不对？不允许的。
好像没有，还有40秒。
OK，
没有规则可以，
就是允许这样。
没有去反对这样。
没有反对。
但时间不够了。
对啊。
Is it last round?
No, one more.
死也死得精彩一点。
没有其他选项。